Okay, so this is just a simple fix here. We're frustrated by this Save As button with the new Live Studio Editor. And to get rid of that, you have to wait until your video finishes processing. And once it finishes processing, then you can actually create an edit of the original stream and not lose the view count and create a new video. This new editor is designed so that you can make a quick highlight video from the stream you just finished. So for example, then to compare with a video that is finished processing, what you can do is go here and see that the video no longer has a gray bar right up here streaming, and now I can trim and make a change to the video like we would normally do, and then preview and unsave. Hope this helps anybody. Yeah, good luck.